Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I have a Ulta haul. Not too much. I mean, I spent like $100. Got some stuff for free. So if you want to see what I got from Ulta, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I got is this NYX bundle. It's a blending brush and a sponge. I got this for free. You get it for free with a $20 purchase from NYX. So let's see what this looks like. So this is what the sponge looks like. Super cute. It says "Love You, Mean It" on the back. And it doesn't feel super soft, but maybe when I wet it, it'll feel softer. But it's a nice little black sponge. And in here should be a blending brush. So in here it says the same thing, "Love You, Mean It." And here is the brush. It is double-ended. That is really fancy packaging for just a brush. Also, if I'm a bit shaky, it's because I'm hungry and my blood sugars are dropping and I'm waiting for pizza. So yeah, but it seems pretty soft and it seems like it'll do the job. So cool. That was free. Everything else in this video I paid for. So the next thing that I got is from LA Girl. This is their Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Blackout, which is black, and I am wearing this today. This is the only thing I got to try on today, and I was crying earlier, so maybe it came off a bit, but it didn't even like smudge or smear. So let's do a little touch up right here. This is so black. I freaking love it. And it definitely didn't smudge. And I was crying. I've had an emotional past couple of weeks. So yeah, super black. Doesn't smudge. I don't think it's waterproof because obviously it came off when I was crying. Maybe because I was wiping it with a napkin. But super black. And I think I'm going to get more colors. So stay tuned. So there's quite a few NYX products in here, so, you know, bear with me. So the next thing I got, believe it or not, I'm probably the only person in the world who hasn't tried this that loves makeup, and I got some NYX butter glosses. So I got two shades. I got the shade Praline, which is this shade right here. It's like a mauve nude. And then I got the shade Madeline, which is like a nude, more on the pink side. I kind of want to see what they feel like. I think I'm going to try out Madeline right now because the lip I'm wearing is quite dark. Okay, so let's see. It smells pretty good. That is a really, really pretty color, and the gloss is kind of on the thick side, which I don't mind. So super excited about these. They might be a new favorite. Who knows? Stay tuned for a full face using new products, or you know, just getting ready with me. Next, I got a lip liner from NYX. This is their Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew, which looks like a pretty nice brown. Yeah, it has more of like a red undertone, but that is a really pretty brown. It'll be really pretty for fall. It actually kind of matches my nails. Tell me that's not cute. I love brown, especially for the fall. Next is two more lip products from NYX, and this is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick. And I got two shades again. So I got the shade Free Spirit and Downtown Beauty, which look like this. So let's swatch Free Spirit. I love the packaging. So Free Spirit looks like a nude. Ooh, that is such a pretty nude shade. That'll go really pretty in the center. I freaking love the little heart. And then Downtown Beauty is more brown, more of a deeper shade. Oh, these don't feel matte. They feel really creamy, but that is the shade Downtown Beauty, which is a really pretty brown, which again kind of matches my nails. So I ordered a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Wisp, but it came broken, so I will be reordering. But that is what it looks like, and it looks like a really pretty color too. I could probably press it down and use it, but I feel like if I order something, it should come in one piece. So yeah, that is what that looks like. I would swatch, but I'm not trying to make any messes, you know. Last but not least, I got the Alexis Stone X Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Instinct palette, and it has quite a few shades. And that is what it looks like. Here's the actual palette. It looks exactly like the box. It is freaking huge. The mirror is ginormous, but the palette itself is huge. So I don't really have a palette that is full of color like this, so I expect to dip into this quite a bit. And I really purchased this off of, I believe her name is Emma Fleming, if I'm not mistaken. She's a YouTuber. She's a really big YouTuber. To me, I love her videos. I love the way she does her makeup. She goes full coverage all the time, and she's not ashamed about it. And she uses this palette so many times, and I think she's hit pan on like a few of the purple shades, and she just does a lot of good and interesting looks with this palette. So I'm super excited to use this, and they look super pigmented as well. So I bought this off of her recommendation, so I'm super excited. That is everything that I got in this haul. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. And I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!